Hello everyone, this is Katia Plant Scientist. Welcome to the Raspberry Corral. Now this is not the OK Corral, it is the Raspberry Corral. Now why are we keeping our raspberries in this strange sort of cage? That's because raspberries grow very tall, and rather than trying to put individual sticks by each long raspberry cane, we have found that it's more efficient to simply build a big cage around them and add these sticks in a diamond pattern to provide support for the raspberries as they grow up. This helps separate the plants and stops them from getting too tangled up with each other. It keeps the plants nice and erect so they're easy to harvest the raspberries. Raspberries, we haven't had so many problems with birds and insects stealing raspberries, so we don't bother netting them, but we do find that having the corral, this is even called stockade wire, is a good way to keep the raspberries from flopping out on the grass, which can make it very difficult to mow. Of course, me being me, I have added a few squash in amongst the raspberries, so these squash can also use this as a climbing frame. So overall, a raspberry corral, although somewhat complex to set up, is a great way to take care of your raspberries and efficiently use the space. Stay curious about plants, everyone.